Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the importance of sleeping. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of sleeping. Sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being, playing a vital role in various physiological and cognitive functions. Here are some key reasons highlighting the importance of sleep. Number one, restoration and repair. During sleep, the body undergoes repair and restoration processes. Tissues and muscles are repaired and energy levels are replenished. This is essential for overall maintenance of the body. Number two, memory consolidation. Sleep is closely linked to memory consolidation, the process by which the brain strengthens and stabilizes memories formed during waking hours. It plays a critical role in learning and cognitive function. Number three, immune function. Adequate sleep is associated with a well-functioning immune system. A lack of sleep can compromise the immune response in response, making individuals more susceptible to illness and infections. Number four, emotional well-being. Sleep is closely tied to emotional regulation. Insufficient sleep can lead to mood swings, increased irritability, and a higher risk of developing mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Number five, physical performance. Athletes in particular benefit from adequate sleep as it contributes to improved physical performance, faster reaction times, and better overall coordination. Number six, hormone regulation. Sleep plays a role in regulating various hormones, including those that control appetite, leptin, and ghrelin, stress, cortisol, and growth hormone. Disruption of these hormonal balances can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Number seven, cardiovascular health. Chronic sleep deprivation has linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension, high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. Number eight, cognitive function. Sleep is crucial for cognitive functions such as attention, problem solving, and decision making. Lack of sleep can impair these functions, leading to decreased productivity and increased likelihood of errors. Number nine, metabolic health. Inadequate sleep is associated with an increased risk of obesity and type 2 diabetes. Sleep deprivation can affect the body's ability to regulate glucose level and process carbohydrates. Number 10, overall well-being. A consistent and sufficient amount of quality sleep is essential for overall well-being. It contributes to a better quality of life, increased energy levels, and a more positive outlook on life. It's important to note that individual sleep needs can vary, but most adults typically require 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for optimal health and functioning. Establishing good sleep hygiene practices and prioritizing sufficient and quality sleep should be considered essential components of a healthy lifestyle. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on the importance of sleeping. If we want to be healthy, sleep adequately. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.